My name is Schmale and I'm an assistant professor at EPFL Valais, heading the Extreme Environments Research Laboratory. My group researches tiny particles in the air. They are so small that they are actually invisible to our eye. These particles are actually very important for climate and for human health. They are climate active because they interact with sun rays and they can form clouds. The specific thing about my laboratory is we focus on extreme environments. So we go to the polar regions like the Arctic or the Antarctic, where these tiny particles are very important. To research the extreme environments, you need to go there. So we take our instrumentation and we put them on different platforms, like research vessels or tethered balloons that fly in the sky, or sometimes on aircraft as well. So we have instruments that use different physical and chemical methods to make these particles and their properties visible. And from there we know what they do and how they can influence climate. It's a little bit like being a child who just discovered how to walk. It's a long, stony path until you make a discovery, so there's lots of trials and errors. You fall like a child falls when it learns to walk. But once you know, there are so many new things that can emerge from it. So I think this probably describes it best. I took one of our measurement instruments, which we hang under balloons. It is called portable optical particle spectrometer. So portable because it's quite light, optical because it has a little laser inside, and this little laser shines light on the particles which we collect here. So there is a little pump that draws in the air, and then it's a spectrometer because it counts particles and it tells us what is the size of these particles. I enjoy cycling a lot, and I consider the area around Sion one of the best places in the world to go cycling. So that's the first thing I will miss.